Well, initially, when you contacted me and I took your call, I was most impressed by your attitude about the sales process and your willingness to be present with either yourself or at least one of your associates at every showing. And I felt like that's what, if a realtor was going to work for us, that's what they should do. And a lot of realtors don't do that. And that really impressed me. But it was also the confidence that you showed in what you do and your ability to get things done that really made me want to talk with my husband and have him consider you, because we had used someone prior to you and we weren't thrilled. So after Brent spoke with you, I think he can speak for that himself, but he felt the same way.
Yeah, no question. The willingness to be here. We're in a remote area, an hour drive from Indianapolis. So the other realtor that we had engaged was not present for any of the showings. So you two asked, promised to be here and lived up to that promise. Not in the least.
Not at all.
Yeah, the what Landon put into in his team, Samantha and the team put into marketing this home, including national marketing in national publications, was every bit the full service that you'd get from a full retail broker. In fact, more so than what we had from the first broker we tried to use.
I would add that I think one of the problems with the higher commissioned brokers is that they're very content to let others sell their listing, and because they're going to make quite a bit for doing nothing except listing it. And that wasn't your approach. You wanted to not only be the one to list it, but you had hoped to be the one to find the buyer as well. And you were willing to work harder, I think, than some of these other realtors do that are pretty passive once they get a listing.
So I would fully recommend and endorse Landon to work on their behalf. What Landon and the team did for us included marketing in the Wall Street Journal, national marketing, regional marketing, showing the home. Every creative idea we suggested, he and the team were open to, and would fully endorse Landon to anyone that inquired about how our experience was.
I would add professionalism, positive attitude, easy to reach, very communicative. Just to be honest, just absolutely no complaints whatsoever.